In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up the HubSpot Conversations shared inbox in just 5 minutes. Whether you're managing customer interactions or streamlining team communications, having a shared inbox is a crucial tool for efficiency. Let's dive straight in and get your team set up easily. First, head over to the HubSpot website. The website forms the central hub for all your customer relationship management tasks. Once you're there, navigate to the top right corner and click on the Login option. This is where you'll sign into your HubSpot account. Now, you have various options to sign in, but to keep things simple and secure, click on Sign in with Google. This will prompt you to choose the Google account you wish to use. Select your account, and you should be logged in without a hitch. Next, we'll head over to the settings. You want to navigate to the top right corner of your HubSpot dashboard. This is an essential area where you can customize a variety of features. Within Settings, scroll down the left-hand menu to find the Inbox and Help Desk drop-down option. Click on it to expand your choices. Following that, look for the Inboxes section under this drop-down. Click there and you'll find various settings related specifically to your organization's inbox management. The next step is in the middle of your screen. Locate the Actions drop-down and select it. We're getting closer to our goal, so hang in there. From the Actions drop-down, you will see an option to Create New Inbox. Click on this to begin setting up your new shared inbox. It'll take you to a fresh section where you can tailor specifics about your inbox. Here, type in your desired inbox name. Choose something intuitive so your team knows exactly what this inbox is for. The subsequent option asks who can access this inbox. To enhance transparency and collaboration, select Available to Everyone. This way, all necessary team members can engage with incoming messages. Click Next to proceed. Finally, we need to choose which channel you want to connect to this new inbox. This could be email, chat, or any other communication channels supported by HubSpot. Select the one needed for your team and finalize the connection. By doing so, you consolidate your communication streams effectively into one central place. And that's it. You're now all set with your new HubSpot Conversations shared inbox. Your team can enjoy centralized communications, allowing for more efficient handling of customer interactions and internal communications. Don't forget, if you ever wish to tweak any settings or add new features, you can always come back to this setup and modify it as necessary. Thank you for watching, and I hope this guide simplifies your task in setting up HubSpot's shared inbox. Until next time, happy organizing.